I'm Himani Gulati, director at MEX Exhibitions, the Denim Show, which are jointly organized by MES and Messe Frankfurt, India. And this year, the response has been extremely motivating, and we have more than 200 exhibitors at the show. And the best part is that we have a wider array covered through the show this year, from dyeing, sublimation, digital printing, sewing, embroidery, anything, any laundry, you name any kind of machinery or any product that you need in the entire garment and textile value chain, you find it at the show. And it is a must visit for any industry professional. This year, we have a textile care forum at the show, which is organized in association with the Dry Cleaners and Launderers Association of India. And we have a special focus zone this year, LeatherX, to cover a wider gamut at the show, besides the regular zones that we have on screen print, digital, and fabrics and trims. Denim show is a very important part of this show, which is supported by the Denim Manufacturers Association. We have participations from all across India, in addition to participations from China, Taiwan, France, Germany, Singapore, and other countries, directly or through their partners here in India.
Yeah, hi, good morning. My name is Ajay Jain and my company's name is Atam Enterprises. In that, we are doing laser marking on the different fabrics like leather, velvet, denim, cotton, and cotterize and different fabrics. So we have installed two machines in our office. One is from Spain and one is from Turkey. And our daily capacity for the production is 5,000 garments per day. We are also doing roll-to-roll laser marking, and we are working with most of the export houses and the domestic suppliers.
Hi, this is Sampurna Gupta. I am the marketing manager of Kurz India Private Limited. This is an Indian subsidiary of Lennart Kurz. The headquarter of this company is situated in Germany, Nuremberg. Apart from our whole range of product, we are right now showcasing our product of textile transfer films. Okay, so for transfer films, we can show it if you can focus on that region. So this is the transfer films. Okay, so our core competence is in transfer films in different kind of substrate, that in packaging and printing and labels, but right now we are showcasing that same transfer prints related to textile as in different kind of, as you can see, the same transfer foils or transfer films are encased in different kind of fabrics, just like denims, cotton, silks. Indian market is for silk and cotton, so we are just elaborating it, incorporating it in Indian markets right now. How the films will see and look, the feel or the washability will showcase in Indian fabrics. Okay, so we are doing that. This is one of our products for DIY, which was showcased in Kurz France exhibition also. So there are many items that to be demonstrated out here. If anyone's interested, just line and all.
Manufacturers of microdot fusible interlinings. So basically, it is used in shirts, and our product is basically used by manufacturers and tailors. So it's available in HDP and LDP qualities, and we are based out of Haryana in Delhi.